Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I just ask that if you find this job lead helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that I'm on the right path being helpful to someone. And so I know to look for more job leads like this one and to share. But with that being said, of course, the links to all the pages I share are linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to read reviews on the company or put that application in. Today's remote work from home job lead is from the company Sunrun. Now, Sunrun has about 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a credit and collections coordinator. Now, this is remote for the United States only. Now, a little bit about Sunrun real quickly. They're a residential solar provider in the United States. They believe America's energy future starts at home. They are looking for somebody to help support the daily operations of the collections department, providing accounts receivable collections for existing customers. So you'll be reviewing accounts receivables aging reports on a daily basis to identify any accounts that are delinquent, invoices requiring immediate follow-up. Once you identify those accounts that require follow-up, you'll contact the delinquent customers by either telephone, email, or letter according to the collection policies with the highest level of professionalism. You're going to determine the reason that they are delinquent and try to work with them to resolve their accounts. You'll thoroughly and accurately document all your collection efforts for each assigned account, and you ensure that your accounts are managed in a timely fashion. You'll communicate with leadership and your peers regularly about the status of the accounts you're working on, and you'll review and report collection metrics weekly. So while this is not a call center job where you're taking incoming calls all day, you will have to pick up the telephone and make outbound phone calls. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma and somebody who has 2 years of either collections, accounts receivable, or customer service experience. They prefer somebody who has some kind of experience with Oracle or Salesforce, but that is not required. You do need to have great communication skills, the ability to interface with a variety of individuals, so somebody who can work with different types of people. They want someone who knows how to work Microsoft Excel, and of course someone who is very organized and can work in a fast-paced environment. Now, pay is always going to be dependent not only on location, but also experience. Pay for this position is anywhere from $17.87 an hour all the way up to $24.86 an hour. All right, sharing is always caring. So if you found this job lead helpful, please share this video with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Of course, if you're looking for something specific, feel free to leave that in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.